So we're going to do the same thing again for 12-hour annual maximum rainfall. Okay, so again, we're going to do, let's see, equal max ifs, okay, and then we're going to select this, okay, and then type, this time we're going to type $, E colon $E comma $, oops, $F colon $F comma H comma H2, and then press enter. Okay, so now what we have done here is, instead of using column D, now we're using column E and F, because column E is 12 hours precipitation, because column E is precipitation for 12 hours duration. Okay, so there's that. Press enter, and then again you go to the right bottom side of this bottom corner of this box, double click it. You're done with that. And now let's find the conversion factor for 12 hours. Okay, so if you look at this table, the conversion factor for 12 hours is 1.005. Okay, so you go over here, double click the box, equal, go to the left side, that's where we have the 12-hour annual maximum rainfall, click on it once, times 1.005. Okay, so now it's been converted. Again, we go to right bottom corner of the box, double click, and there we go. Okay, now you can save this. Now you can save this, and you're going to hold on to it because you need this to use it for FARD. Okay, so you're going to use the 6-hour fixed time random time conversion applied, so that's column J, and also you're going to use 12-hour fixed time random time conversion applied, column L. You're going to use these two data that I'm highlighting right now. Okay, these two. So you're going to hold on to this Excel. So click save it. And then let's close this. And then another Excel file I'm going to give you is the FARD input 108. So double click on this file and then open it. So this is the actual Excel file we're going to use. And as you can see, we have the numbers, the years, and then we have 360 minutes, 6 hours, 720 minutes, 12 hours, okay? So, these two, column C and column D are empty right now. And like I said, you're going to grab those values from here, okay? The first Excel file. So you're going to go to, 6-hour fixed time random time conversion applied. You're going to click on the first box on the top, drag it down, and then Control C. Go back to the other Excel file, go to C2, and then Control V. Okay, if you do this, then the numbers change. So actually, go to C2, and then right click, and then go down to paste options, and choose this one, values. Okay, so you bring the values as they are, and they don't get changed. So now we go back to the first Excel file, go to 12-hour fixed time random time conversion applied, click on the first box, L2, drag it down, Control C, go to the other Excel file, and click on D2, okay, right below 720, 12 hours, and then click on the first box, right click, go to paste options, values, left click, and then you're done. Okay, now again, save this file as well. Okay, and then minimize it somewhere. Okay, so here we are, and now let's try to get FARD. Okay, so if you go to the PDF file that I'm going to share with you guys, so there's this link you can click on, and then you go to this website, and then you click on this FARD 2006.zip. Okay. Yeah, so you click on it, and then you extract it on your desktop or wherever you want. So let's see. So yeah, now we have the FARD 2006 folder, as you can see here. Okay, so click it, open it, and then when you open it, you'll see that it has the FARD installation file. So you open that, click next, next, finish. Okay, so now you have FARD 2006. You should have something like this on your desktop now, on your screen. Double click it, open it. And then now we're going to start using FARD 2006. So let's start with putting in the data. So you go to the left side of this, and you'll see this table of contents that's in Korean. So just click on the first one that has empty box. Okay, so this one. Okay, whenever I hover my mouse cursor over it, you can see it turns to red. So click on that. Okay, so when you click on this interface opens up. Now from here, watch carefully where my mouse is going. Okay, so I go down to bottom. Okay, so bottom left, the first button on the bottom, the first left button. When you click this, it will let you open an Excel file. Okay, so here I'm going to open, so desktop, week 2 material, and I'm going to open this FARD input 108. Okay, so you're going to click on this, open. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so close the Excel file first if you want to open it, because if it's already open, it won't let you open it in here. So once you open it, you will see that all the data are in here, but as you can see, the years are wrong right now. It starts from 1950. Okay, so you go to the top of this interface, and you see that like there's first white box on the left. So on this box, you just type 108, the station number, and then you see the second white box. So this is saying starting year. Okay, it says 1950 right now, and we want to change that to 1989 because that's when it actually starts. As you can see in this Excel file, 1989. So you click on the triangle thing, and then you scroll down to 1989. Choose that, okay? And when you do that, see the years have changed. And then you can now go down below, and you're going to click the second button from the right. Okay, so just look at where my mouse cursor is and click on this. And then when it asks you, like, have you completed putting in your data, you just say yes. Okay, now you go back to the table of contents on the left. Okay, and you just simply click on the second one with the empty box. Okay, so watch where my mouse cursor is. Click on this, and just, okay, we're going to just, yeah, let's have all of this selected. And you're going to click on this button. It just says yes, okay. And then you're going to go to the empty box, the letters next to the the next empty box. Okay, so you're going to click on this. Just look at where my mouse cursor is. And when you do that, it has finished its analysis. So click OK. And now it's finished. You can look at all the results. So all the results are below this. So this third line of dark letters that you see. So table of contents, the first one, second one, third one. Okay, right below this, it's showing all the results. So the first one is like basic statistics, and then the second one is like a preliminary analysis, and then we have parameter estimation, and then we have goodness of fit, and then we have the whole table for this. Okay, so this is the main one we're concerned with. So that this will be the last one you choose right before the next dark black letters. So right above, so it's above PDF, CDF, and then this, and then this. Okay, so it's like right here. So you click on this, and you see it's showing you like what kind of method it used. We're interested in method of probability weighted moments, so click on that. And then when you do that, you can see that there's all this different type of probability distribution. We're interested in gumbel, so find the one that says gum. And then on the left side, we have the return periods. So that's just saying 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Okay. So go to gum. The first one is 2 years return period, and that is 110.1. So that is the rainfall. Okay. So that's 110.1 for return period of 2 years with the gumbel distribution. Okay, and then 3 years, 5 years, and so on. So that's what we're interested in. Now, if you want to look at some graphs, then you can go to CDF, click on that, and you can see all the graphs, the CDF graph. And then you can click on PDF and see the PDF graph. And then if you want to save all the results, okay, you can go to below PDF. There's this black letters. It's just saying save your results. And then right below that, there's like empty box, right? And then there's these letters. So click on the letters, not the empty box. And then it will let you save all this to a file. But the thing is, once you're done with the analysis, it actually automatically saves the results in the result folder like this. So let's close this and go back to where we had our stuff. So week 2 material, so this is where we started. And as you can see, we have the result folder right here, right? And if you open the result folder, we have all this. And if we go to FARD quantile right here, open it, then we can see all the results. See, like this on the notepad. So let's find gum distribution, okay? Return period, all this, 2 years, 3 years, and then we have the 360 minutes, 6 hours, 720 minutes, 12 hours, okay? And then the corresponding rainfall values. Okay, so that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching.